Question number 9. A hemispherical and conical hole are scooped out of a solid wooden cylinder. Find the volume of remaining solid where the height of cylinder is 7 cm, radius of each hemisphere's cone and cylinder is 3 cm. Give your answer correct to the nearest whole number. Take pi is 22/7. Given height of cylinder equal to 7 centimeter. Height of cone that is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of cylinder is equal to 3 centimeter. Find the volume of remaining solid. Volume of remaining solid equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere, that is equal to volume of cylinder pi r square h minus volume of cone 1/3 pi r square h minus volume of hemisphere 2/3 pi r cube, that is equal to pi r square common h minus 1/3 h minus 2/3 r, which implies pi is 22/7 and radius is 3. 3 3s are 9 and height of cylinder is equal to 7 minus 1/3 into height of cone, that is equal to 3. 3 3s cancel minus 2/3 into radius is 3, that is equal to 22/7 multiplied by 9 into 7 minus 1 minus 2, that is 3, which implies 9 2s are 18, 19 into 4 divided by 7, that is 198 into 4. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 9 4s are 36, 39, 3 carry, 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7. We get 792 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7, 9. 7 1s are 7, 2. 7 3s are 21.0. 7 1s are 7, and that is centimeter cube. Volume of remaining solid equal to 113.1, that is 113 centimeter cube approx. Answer. Given height of cylinder is equal to 7 centimeter and height of cone is equal to 3 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere is 3 centimeter and radius of cylinder is 3 centimeter. It's given. And we find the volume of the remaining solid, that is equal to volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder minus volume of cone minus volume of hemisphere, that is pi into r square h minus 1 by 3 pi r square h, that is height of cone. Height of cone is 3 and height of cylinder is equal to 7 minus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. It's volume of hemisphere. Pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. We are taking common pi r square. In bracket h, that is height of cylinder, minus 1 upon 3 h, that is height of cone 3 centimeter, minus 2 upon 3 r, radius is 3. So pi is 22 upon 7, which implies pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 3 and 3 square, 3 3s are 9. Bracket height of cylinder, that is equal to 7 minus 1 upon 3 into height of cone, that is equal to 3. 3 3 is also cancelled. Minus 2 upon 3, radius is 3. 3 3 is cancelled. And we get 22 upon 7 into 9. Bracket 7 minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. And 22 multiplied by 9 is equal to 198. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18 plus 119 into 7 minus 3 is 4. 198 into 4 divided by 7, that is equal to 792 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7. 9. 7 1s are 7. 9 minus 7 2 and 22, then 7 3s are 21. 1.0, 7 1s are 7. Approximately 113.1, that is 113 centimeter cube. Answer. Question number 10. A toy is in form of a cone of a radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. If the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, find the total surface area and volume of the toy. Giving your answer correct to 1 decimal places. Given radius of cone equal to 3.5 centimeter. Radius of hemisphere is same, 3.5 centimeter. Total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere equal to pi RL plus 2 pi R square. Height of cone equal to 15.5 minus 3.5, that is equal to h is equal to 12 centimeter, and slant height L is equal to R square plus h square. L is equal to radius is 3.5 raised to power 2 plus 12 raised to power 2. L is equal to 12.25 plus 144. L is equal to 156.25. Slant height is equal to, that is 12.5 raised to power 2. This is cancelled and slant height is 12.5. Then we are putting L in pi R L, that is pi R is common. Pi is 22/7 into radius is 3.5 and slant height is 12.5 plus 2 into 22/7 into 3.5 raised to power 2. 22/7 into 3.5, we are taking common in bracket 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. 3.5 2s are 7. 22/7 into 35/10 and 12.5 plus 7, that is equal to centimeter square. 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22. That is 11 into 19.5. 195 into 11, that is 195. 195. 5 4 1 2 centimeter square. So total surface area of toy is equal to 214.5 centimeter square. Answer. Given radius of cone is 3.5 centimeter and radius of hemisphere is 3.5 centimeter. Total surface area of toy is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Height of cone, that is equal to total height is 15.5 and height of cone is 15.5 minus 3.5, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Height of cone h is equal to 12 centimeter and we find L, that is slant height. L is equal to R square plus h square. So L is equal to root R square plus h square. Radius is 3.5 square plus h is 12 square. 3.5 square, that is equal to 12.5 3.5 into 3.5, that is 25, and 3 plus 1 4, 4 3s are 12, so 12.25. 3.5 square is 12.25 plus 12 square is equal to 144, and 144 plus 12, that is equal to 156.25, and root 156.25, that is 12.5 raised to power 2. 12.5 raised to power 2, so root square is cancelled and we get slant height is equal to L, that is 12.5 centimeter, and curved surface area of cone, that is equal to pi r L, and curved surface area of hemisphere, that is equal to 2 pi r square. Pi is 22/7, radius is 3.5, slant height we get 12.5 plus 2 into radius. Pi is equal to 22/7 and radius is 3.5 raised to power 2. Taking common, 22/7 into 3.5, in bracket 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. 3.5 2s are 7, and 7 plus 12.5, that is equal to 19.5, and 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 11 2s are 22, 11 into 19.5, then we get 11 into 19.5, that is 195 into 11, we get 214.5, 19.5, so we get 214.5 centimeter square answer. Question number 11. A circus tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a cone. The diameter of the cylindrical portion is 24 meter and its height is 11 meter. If the vertex of the cone is 16 meter above the ground, find the area of the canvas used to make the tent. Given diameter of cylinder equal to 24 meter, radius equal to 24/2, that is 12 meter, and height of cylinder is equal to 11 meter. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h, that is 2 into 22/7 into 12 into 11, that is equal to 2 into 22, 44 into 12, 1s are 12, plus 1 13/7 meter square. 132 into 44, 4 2s are 8, 5 2 8, that is 8085. 5808 divided by 7. 8 7s are 56. 2 0 7 2s are 14. 6 8. 9s are 63. 5.0. 7 sevens are 49. 1 1. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 829.7 meter square. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. L is equal to r square plus h square. So slant height L is equal to radius is 12 square plus height is 5. L is equal to 144 plus 25. L is equal to under root 169. Then L is equal to 13 meter. If the vertex of the cone is 16 meter above, that is 16 minus 5 is equal to height of cone is equal to 5. 16 minus 11, that is height of cone 5 meter, and slant height L is equal to root r square plus h square. R is 12. 12 square is 144 and height is 16 minus 11, that is 5. 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25, that is equal to 169. Root 169. L is equal to 13 meter. So pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 12 and slant height is 13. That is equal to 12 to 4, 24. 26 into 13 divided by 7. Two 64 into 13. 52 and 5 carry 78. 78 plus 5 is equal to 83. 8 carry. 13 2s are 26. 26 plus 8 is equal to 34. 3 4 3 2 divided by 7. 4s are 28. 6 3. 9s are 63. 2, that is 0. That is approximately value of 490 meter square. Approx. Find the area of the canvas. Area of canvas is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, that is 829.71 approx plus 490, that is equal to 829, that is equal to 830 approx, and 490 meter square. 0 9 plus 3 12. 1 carry 13. 1320 meter square. Answer. Given diameter of cylinder is 24 meter and radius is half of diameter, that is 12 meter. Height of cylinder is 11 meter. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi rs. 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 12 and height is 11. 22 2s are 44 and 12 into 11, that is 132, divided by 7. We get 829.71 or 8 approximately meter square. And curved surface area of cone is pi rl. Slant height L is equal to r square plus h square, and height of cone is 16 minus 11, that is equal to 5. And radius is 12. 12 square plus 5 square, that is 144, plus 25 equal to 169, and root 169 is equal to 13 meter. So curved surface area of cone is pi rl, that is 22 upon 7 into 12 into 13. 22 into 12, that is 264, multiply by 13, we get 3432, and divided by 7, we get approximately value 490 meters square. So area of canvas, that is equal to curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, 829.7, that is equal to approx 830 plus 490, and their sum is 1320 meter square. Answer. Thank you.